been a big fan of this white Genesis and electrified eGV70. And ladies and gentlemen, come meet Genesis booth, Genesis GV60. I recently uploaded a review, a POV, actually the test drive on it, so go check it out. And this is GV60 in Hanauma Mint. Hopefully I said that right. It's some like Hanauma Mint, all right? And this is uni white. Genesis has covered up the booth with GV60, and that's no doubt because it's the latest car that rolled out, and this is carbon metal. And this is the test driver that I had, and let's check out the interior. And I love this flush door handle. I love the bright tones that Genesis and Hyundai are lately coming up with, and a lot of people criticize about this car being like, you know, too white and all. However, I would just enjoy the beautiful interior color because this is something that you get to see every time you open the door. Just watch, literally every time you open the door, this is what you see for the first time. I would just take the white interior and have an annual wash, professionally have it detailed, and then all this material are durable, and then they will come back to almost like 99% of its original condition if you have it professionally worked. Light colors, they look amazing on this brand new Genesis. This double line identity, just check out the double line on the GV60, the GV70, and of course Genesis X. And this right here is wireless charging pad, and it's actually first time in the world on production cars. It's not going to be available for all GV60 unfortunately, but it's available on first 300 units within this Korea. And once you have this installed, literally it's wireless charging. Just pull out the car, leave the car on, and then the car will start charging on its own. Check out this white on white people. Nice little teal color touch right here. I've got to say, this is the best combination that I've seen thus far. I absolutely love this white interior. It goes so well with this beautiful crystal sphere. Just look at everything. Oh my god, I can't believe that I missed out on this electrified GV70. They're going with the same naming that they've done with the electrified G80. And you see, that's because there was an internal combustion engine car first before they rolled out the EV version. So it goes the same with this electrified GV70. In abbreviation, probably they end up calling it eGV70. Exterior, just like all the electrified versions have been, I'm talking about the Genesis G80, the exterior has very subtle change. Some people criticized about GV60 not having the color matched cladding, although it's Genesis after all. But you see, Genesis has made it clear that the lower the numbers are with the Genesis, they're pursuing more of the sporty driving and having fun behind the wheels. And higher the numbers, the more luxurious the car's gonna get. So this GV70 sits right in between with the 60 and 80, of course, but as we can see from the cladding finish right there, GV70 is geared a little more towards the elegance. And come over this way, the front grille, it's the same as that we see on the eG80. So the boundary is sitting like that. And since I have both cars, let's go back to back and see how it is similar and different to that of the eG80. So I want to point out that the bottom of the radiator grille, it's actually open like that, and that's the sensors. I noticed that the wheel design has been slightly changed, but it's got the big thick profile, so it's going to provide more cushiony feel. The characteristic of that of the EVs, no exhaust tips. Just like how it was on eGV70, G80 has the same crest grille that's completely covered up, as well as some of the portions on the radiator is opened up. And again, absolutely love this white interior that Genesis is introducing. Just look at that. And of course, same thing, no exhaust and no exhaust tip. eG80 spokes, I don't know how many there are. we just cannot miss out this Genesis X. And I've covered it in person, super close, up in this video right here, so go check it out for the detail. And just gotta love that double line, the quad lights, the purely identity of Genesis, as well as that crest grille.